Look at this white stuff, huh? I'm not gonna eat the carrot, it's for the snowman.
I know, just put it in your pocket.
Oh. Okay, where do you want to make the snowman?
Right here.
What are you doing?
Make me tunnel.
Nice.
Oh.
Can you eat snow?
Yeah, it's really clean.
It looks pretty clean, I guess. I guess you could have a little bit. This isn't the best snowman, but when Daddy gets home from work at 6, this is the best you can hope for.
And a lot.
That's a lot. That tunnel's gonna take forever, okay? We gotta go in.
Just watch us.
That's like breaking out of prison.
So what do you mean breaking out of prison? My hand. See, are your hands
Don't get
cold?
any ideas. But
There.
okay.
Today, take this.
Mom's gonna freak when she sees your ring snowman.
Fluffy's not coming inside.
I want to
Go put Fluffy in the boat, but take off your shoe.